do you even fit this thing? Wait, go. I wonder what this is, you guys.
I'm doing the spin the way.
Oh, so it's almost like a balance thing.
Look what you can do here. Monkey bars. That's right. There's monkey bars. Yeah, look.
Woo! All right, you guys, we're going to go up there right now and go down that slide. Ready? Ready, you guys? We're going to go down this slide. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay. Woo!
I want W. See my glasses.
Woo!
Hi, Gio.
Let's go down the other slide right now. You guys must have not saw it, but there's another slide. My name is Gio, and I'm doing this from 1P, Patrick. In first grade, I am with a new teacher, and her name is Patrick. She has 2 kids. One is a girl, and one is a boy. They're older. They're not first grader. They play football. But there's a girl that plays football. I just don't know her name. Well, let's go on this.
Somebody has. Woo! Yeah. You hop on!
Okay.
Hi, Gio. Hey,
Oh, wait!
Gio.
Wow, I got on.
Take up picture on me. Can I try? Can you put it on me?
Everybody pose. I'm gonna play in this one. How are you gonna do this? We don't even have enough people.
Wee.